Hi guys, we are somewhere different. We are at Ollie's. It is a discounted store where they get pallets of stuff. So we're gonna go check it out, see what kind of money we can save, see what's good. We're going somewhere new today, guys. We're gonna come here to Ollie's and check out their deals and see what they have. Well, they definitely have a lot of books to go through and at fairly good prices. Well, if you need some new rugs, they definitely have a lot of rugs for you. A lot of rugs. They have a lot of stuff in here. You just watch their deals. They'll come up with lots of deals. I found these for a deal for $2.80. You get 2 of these, and then the bigger ones here, it's $4.50, but you get 2 big ones. These are good for when you're making cookies and sending to people. You can come here and get a body board too for 20 bucks. So they have equipment stuff. They've got helmets for the bikes. They've got coolers. They've got exercise stuff. So there's a little bit of everything inside Ollie's.
I'm getting this one.
Oh, look at, they've got insoles for $5.
Look, I'm thinking about getting this cup.
Ooh.
And it even comes with a spoon.
That's a, you can do probably some ramen noodles in that too.
Attention Ollie's, Scott, you are needed on register 4. Scott, you are needed on register.
Yammi, you finding any good deals?
No, unless you want some cat food. But look at who I found. Holiday, y'all.
I'm here, y'all. I'm here.
And she's got for dogs.
I got some home cooking, y'all.
Ooh, jerky bites for dogs.
Oh, yeah. Y'all. The bone chicken, chickpea, and apple recipe.
Look at these tasteful Simply singles for cats.
Yeah, it's tasty, all right. Which once was hard to find are these air fryers. Now you can find them everywhere now at a discounted price.
And just so you guys know, here at Ollie's, some of the stuff comes in a generic looking box because they are refurbished. So they can sell them to you cheaper because they're refurbished.
Refurb.
Yeah.
And see, it won't matter because when you wrap them up at Christmas time for folks, and then they're with the anticipation of seeing what that is, they don't pay attention that they have a plain generic box. Keep that in mind. Man, there's some really friendly folks in here.
When it comes to cheap stuff, you get some ignorant people.
Oh.
Yeah, I said that.
No, she didn't.
I said it and I
No,
meant
she
it.
did not.
I'm only telling you the truth. You know, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm just not going to lie.
What? You trying to say that there's nothing but really friendly people in the world? Or there's not?
There's not. There's a lot of non-friendly people in this world. A lot.
And on that note, can we get this grilled cheese grill thing? Nothing says fun like some grilled cheese. And it's healthy, it says. Yeah. So Yammi went somewhere else, so I figured I'd come over here and check out some of what everybody wants to see. Toys. There's a lot of them. I want this for Christmas right here. We have one, but it don't look like this. This one's a lot newer than one that we have. This one would be nice. I think you loaded water right from the bottom down there.
All right, so that was Ollie's discounted stuff. A lot of people. There was some people there that had a couple carts full of stuff. They were buying stuff for children at the hospitals. So I thought that was really cool. I mean, they could get a lot of stuff for a pretty good price here. So, but it's crazy trying to check out. So I left Boo in there and I came out here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. And please stick around. We've got a lot more fun stuff coming out soon. Bye. Hi, guys. Hey, girl. Hey.
What?
Just kidding. Hi, guys. We are at Chili's. We decided we would go and get something to eat, and we're ordering off the menu the 3 for me, and you get a drink, an appetizer, which can be chips and salsa, it could be a salad or soup, and then you get to pick an entree. And I picked the Big Mouth chicken salad. Looks really good. And Boo got the chili secret sauce burger. So we're gonna try these 2 new out. But for an appetizer, I was able to upgrade it for $3.50 to get 3 dips. And she's bringing us sauces. So we've got guacamole, queso, and then the white queso. And I can tell you, I tried the white queso already, and it was good. Really, really good. And Boo got a salad.
You know what's so, you know this salad is so good? Because I always have to get it, and I crunch it. Yum, 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 yum.
He had to do that, folks. Our food showed up already. Chicken sandwich with fries. And it's got the secret sauce on it. And Boo got the secret sauce burger. Ooh.
And yeah, it's really stuck to it, but yeah. And I think you said there were grilled onions underneath
Yeah.
somewhere.
Grilled onions. Maybe
Yeah.
not. Yeah. Looks good though. So we're gonna try these. Alright, so we cut them in half, and we each have a half a sandwich. So there's the burger. Secret sauce tastes like a barbecue and maybe like a mayo. Barbecue mayo flavor. But,
So not like Big Mac sauce then?
yeah, not like the Big Mac sauce. Because that's what I thought it was going to be like. They really surprised the heck out of me.
Must be why they call it secret sauce there.
Just like secret squirrels, you know? You just never know what you're going to get. Fries are really good. But I'm going to go to the chicken sandwich now. Okay. Let's see if I can make a mess of myself or not.
Do it, make a mess,
Ooh, hot.
Yeah, these fries actually are good. Because usually their fries are not too good.
The chicken sandwich is really good. The rest of it is good.
Is it jumping?
Yeah. Not much sauce was put on this, so I might ask for a little extra on the side. Try to put a little bit more on it. Well, we finished up there at Chili's. Food was good. The fries were hot. We did end up bringing some of the dips home and the chips. She gave us another big bag of chips. Ooh. And the whole meal cost, what, $26? So not too bad. I mean, that's now the new minimum price to go out to eat. Now, remember, it used to be like no more than 20 bucks. We're going, okay, not gonna spend more than 20 bucks. You can spend 20 bucks at McDonald's just on one meal.
That's a shame.
It is, it really is a shame. But it was good. We have limited us going out to eat. So that way, we'd rather cook at home and eat. But every once in a while, you just gotta get out and get some good food, right, Boo? My white man here, my white chin man. Well, white chin man.
White chin.
White chin. My baby got a white chin now.
What?
Yeah. Didn't know that, did you? I got me a white chin man. Okay, that's enough.
I'm serious.
Some of the things that we say and do while we're together is different. That's for sure, right, Boo?
Yeah, yeah.
We can always make you laugh. But I'm not sure what else we're gonna do today. I really don't know.
You have no idea what I want to say right now. I'm just not going to say it.
Uh-oh, you better say it now. Now that you've said that out loud, you have to say it.
No, I can't. I can't.
You do.
No, I can't. Slow down. We're about to...
Yes, you do.
Come on. Come on, baby. You know you're the girl of my dreams.
That's what you were going to say?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
I don't believe that. Don't believe that for a second. Well, you're welcome, boss.
He said thank you.
Because he had to hurry up and walk right in front of you.
Hey, they're having a 3-course meal over here at the Bob Evans.
At the Bob Evans, 3-course meal. I'm not hungry now. So.
I don't know, but they have that banana nut bread there, though.
Banana nut bread is good. But I don't need no banana nut bread. Because then I want to eat 2. Then I want to eat 3 pieces. And then I'm going to eat the whole friggin' loaf.
Well, no, because they start you off with 2 little nice little pieces, and that's all you get.
Oh, we don't get no more,
I should went over there to that car wash.
Yeah, we need the car wash. The car is dirty.
Yeah.
You can barely see out the window because it's so dirty.
Yeah.
It's a dirty, dirty car.
Yeah.
So I don't know. So I'm not gonna close this out yet, just in case we decide to do something else, and we'll take you along with us.
Yeah. Y'all want to go to the car wash with us, or?
Yeah, we gotta go to the car wash.
I might need to go get some gas too. So if you guys want to help pump the gas, that'd be great.
Yeah, we'll just sit in the car while you pump, and you pay.
Yeah.